This short lecture introduces various types of plastics used in packaging, describing which are safe for environment. Plastics that are recyclable hold the key. The classic recycling symbol with a number inside of it must be understood. Understanding these numbers which depict the properties of plastic product must be understood while using plastics. The end slide of this lecture summarizes important facts about the 7 types of plastics prevalent in the packaging industry. Plastic revolutionized the packaging sector by extending the shelf life of fresh food, enabling essential health applications, contributing to lighter and safer shipping, and reducing emissions. In many instances, reusing and refilling product applications are effective ways of saving resources and improving the environmental footprint of our lifestyles. Preceding slides describe each type of plastic separately. Polyethylene terephthalate or PET is the most widely used plastic in the world. Water and soft drink bottles, fruit juice containers, domes or covers for prepared meals, cookie biscuit trays, condiment bottles, cream/nut butter containers, cooking oil bottles all are made of PET. The good thing about it is that it is completely recyclable. HDPE, high-density polyethylene, is also used in different food packaging applications. Virgin HDPE is great for making food-safe plastic containers since it resists corrosion, does not absorb much moisture and does not leach chemicals. It is one of the best options for domestic applications because it is safe for cold storage. This material is approved by FDA and USDA because it is toxin-free and recyclable. Milk bottles, freezer bags, ice cream containers, juice bottles, pouches and sachets are few examples. Virgin, or non-recycled, HDPE is food safe. Polyvinyl chloride is also quite popular in plastic industry. It has found applications in construction, medical, cosmetics and food packaging industries. In food sector it is used as cling wrap, food foils, trays for sweets, seal on metal lids. UPVC windows and doors are very popular. The downside with PVC is that it is non-recyclable. Hence, it creates significant burden on environment upon disposal after completing useful life. LDPE is not as strong as some other types of plastic, which may limit its use in certain applications. It has a low melting point, making it unsuitable for use in products that are exposed to high temperatures. LDPE is transparent, and some PE can be made optically clear. Polyethylene is a better electrical insulator but is prone to electrostatic charge, which is why some grades come with anti-static formulations. Virgin resins are safe for food contact. LDPE has good chemical resistance, high impact strength, and strong wear absorption. These include shopping bags, squeeze bottles, cling wrap, shrink wrap, pouches and sachets. PP is almost always translucent. Polypropylene, recycling number 5, is an FDA-approved food contact plastic that's generally used for single-serve items like yogurt cups, cream cheese containers, and syrup packets. Because of its high melting point, it can withstand the extreme temperatures of the microwave and dishwasher. It is also used as milk jugs, chip bags, microwave dishes, yogurt and ice cream tubs. Styrofoam is made up of polystyrene. Polystyrene is made up of a styrene monomer. The styrene monomer is flammable and can be harmful to our health. Styrofoam is a single-use product, which means it will never biodegrade and will continue to pollute our environment. It has found applications as water station cups, disposable plastic cutlery, egg cartons, and meat trays. Type 7 is given to mixed plastic products. These can include polyacrylates, polycarbonates, fiberglass, nylon, and styrene. This category cannot be recycled. Polycarbonate plastic Nalgene bottles, baby bottles, water cooler jugs, multi-material packaging, CD, DVD and sunglasses are a few examples. When using plastic product, always see the classic recycling symbol with a number inside of it. It will tell you which product is recyclable or otherwise. In order to preserve environment and its biodiversity, always prefer using recyclable plastic products. Summary of the discussion in the present lecture is presented in tabulated form for the benefit of plastic users. Please note, if more plastics are being recycled, it means less are ending up in landfills. Another benefit is that fewer plastics in landfills means less emission of common landfill gases, like carbon dioxide and methane. Both of these gases cause environmental damage,